Like, subscribe, and hit the bell to see more of ERD's repairs. This Mitsubishi motor controller came in from a custom machine shop. Units like these are used all across the metalworking industry in several different CNC systems. The unit here came in needing to be cleaned out due to metal filing contaminations and was in need of a rebuild for its blown capacitors. We test these units for power-up on our smaller test motors, as each one usually has its own specified motor which we can't always get our hands on, but we still get accurate results with this roundabout method. ERD has worked for decades on Mitsubishi CNC motor controls and is able to test all units even without having their actual motors on hand. So call now for your quote.